So we're here as part of Back to the Future with Eric Hewitson from Wyld Networks. Eric, tell us about Wyld Networks and what we're looking at here.
So Wyld Networks are a connectivity company for the Internet of Things. We are specialised in connecting sensors and devices via low Earth orbiting satellites. And in agriculture, that's things like soil moisture sensors. The soil moisture sensor here from our partners at DFN. That's connected to our terminal, battery powered, but with solar backup here, as you can see. And that sends messages to low Earth orbiting satellites from this modem at the top here. So this setup will enable you, even if you're in an area of the Earth that doesn't have any cellular connectivity, you'll still be able to get data from your sensor.
I think for us, in terms of communications, it's the availability of low Earth orbit satellites.
Yeah, that's really been something that's come through in the last 5 years and made a big impact for us. Well, I think as we roll satellite IoT out into agriculture in a broad and massive kind of way, it's going to be the integration of the data that we're able to deliver as Wyld Networks and into the analytics platforms where return on investment opportunities can be brought out for agriculture as a whole.
Poor communications. 85% of the world is still not covered by typical terrestrial communications. So the availability of satellite really does enable that to provide a more cost-effective communication method. And that's the thing. It has to be cost-effective and suitable for all the applications within agriculture and within livestock management.
Yeah, I mean, we're seeing great ability to reduce the amount of water usage in certain crops when you know what's happening in the soil, not just on the surface, but at depth as well. And this sort of information can really make a difference.
We're communication specialists, and our goal is to connect up everything from sensors to the analytics platforms. We're not sensor manufacturers, we're not analytic platform providers, but we need to enable the communications to enable actionable data.
Yeah, and I think everyone knows that there's a need to create more food over the coming decades and do better things in terms of how we manage growing and managing agriculture for the environment. And from our perspective, it's about the communications piece, making sure we get the right data to the right people at the right time to make the right decisions for the benefit of farming.